Hello there. Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna go do some light work on the charger. We're gonna go change out the air filter right there. So wanted to show you how to do that, what kind of air filter I use for the Dodge Charger Scatpack. So let me flip this camera so I can show you the air filter I'm using, and then we'll go from there. So this is the Hellcat air filter. I'm going to focus on the part numbers so you can check it out. I'll try to link the this particular filter on the description below, but I got this from I believe Amazon. I got this from Amazon for like 36 bucks, and if you buy this from the dealership, it's like $52 plus tax, obviously. So this is what it looks like. I already have a Hellcat filter in here. It's probably 2 years old, so let's see how dirty it is. All you need is to remove a few little bolts in here. They're 8mm bolts, this ones, and then you have access to the filter. And I'll go ahead and remove all the bolts and show you what the dirty filter looks like. Okay, now that's the brand new air filter, and this is the dirty air filter right there. As you can see how dirty it is side by side. So all you need to do is remove those three little 8mm bolts, and you should have access to this air filter, and it just goes in there. So let me clean that box a little bit and then pop in the filter, and it'll be good to go, and then we'll go for a drive. Alright, give me a moment. There you go. Pop in the new filter and reinstall the 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3 over there. Should be pretty straightforward. I already showed you how clean my throttle body is in the video. It's in my channel. Check that out if you want to check it out. You want to know how to do that. That's pretty straightforward. So we'll go for a drive after I put this back in. So you may be wondering why you put a Hellcat air filter on the Charger Scatpack. This filter actually, even when it's dirty, like it is right now, it's pretty dirty as you can see, the airflow is about the same as a clean Scatpack stock air filter, as you can see there. So it really does give your charger a lot more air even when it's dirty. Obviously you need to change it when it's dirty, but you still have maximum airflow performance even when it's dirty. So how much more if it's clean like it is right now? So that's why we're gonna go for a drive and see how this charger performs with a new filter. Very cold day, about 37 degrees. It should sound pretty good and perform really well. Alright, let's go for a drive. Alright, so let's go for a ride. Change out the air filter. I've already had the Hellcat air filter for about 2-3 years now, and just put a new one in. And then a couple weeks ago, if you look at the if you view the channel, I also cleaned the throttle body. So I want to go ahead and drive around, see if there's any difference in performance at all, if any, and we'll see how this goes. So you can tag along, I guess, today as I test ride this car with the brand new Hellcat air filter I can't pronounce things today. Tongue twisters. And a very clean throttle body. So let's see. One thing I noticed when it was dirty, there was a little bit of hesitation every time I give it some beans. So let's do a little bit of paddle shifting in here. Okay. Ready. First gear. Whatsoever. So there's a little curvy road here. Let's get paddle shifting. Like the car can breathe pretty good. I've been him and howing if I'm gonna go do the Hellcat airbox, but I don't want to go through the work of removing the bumper and installing all that stuff. I'm pretty happy with what it is right now, and car's performing well. So in this video I also include a couple of fall shots that I did over there at the park. It's pretty colors, so I'm gonna include a couple of B-rolls of a couple of shots I did, so that you guys can see some beauty shots, so to speak. So anyways, pretty simple work today. Air filter change, that was no problem. If you have any questions, ask, comment down below. It's pretty easy install. You can get it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. So oh wow, just another crack in the windshield. Oh my gosh, that was bad. Oh boy, that was not fun. Car coming in, a Jeep Grand Cherokee, just fling a rock. Now it's in my windshield. Oh boy, this sucks. Okay, so please subscribe. I'm a little disappointed. I'm gonna have to call insurance on this because it's getting bigger. Subscribe, like, it'll help the channel a lot. If you like, every time you watch, subscribe if you could. I would totally appreciate it. Thank you, and we'll see you soon. Bye.